Oh, come do it first.
Turn your back. I guarantee she'll grab it first.
Give me something here, Shay. You're killing me.
Come on, let's go get it. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Come on, you can do it.
You can do it. Come on. Come on, Jay. Yeah, there we go.
Always crawling right out of the camera. Like.
Come on.
Betty will love to see this because she was wondering if she was filming it. Oh, you're such a good girl.
Once she realizes that she's got to bring up her stomach, she'll go faster.
Yeah, well, she's just like dragging one side.
You got it. I can't take it from you now. Make sure it's close. It's all yours. You got that fair and square. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
Who knows? A couple more days and she might be actually going home crawling.
Yeah, well then she'll hit the hardwood and
Slide all over the place.
yeah.
Sometimes you can go to the what do you call it, Jess? Value Village and buy like pieces of like cheap rugs to throw down. Like, you know, dust them with baking soda and vacuum and stuff like that. But, you know, it might help her get crawling faster if she do that.
Yeah.
Get some movement.
Go for it. Come on, Lou, you're doing good.
Come on. Come on, you're using the adults. Oh, no. Go for first. What's your problem? You can't turn around, I think, because it requires effort. I like the hand thing.
And she's devastated.